Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Loyverse. Today we are going to learn about in this series what is Loyverse, how to integrate the APIs into our any kind of platform, whether it's to be a Node.js, Magento, WordPress. So basically we are going to create the API so that you can use anywhere into your projects, right? So let's get started with the Loyverse, what exactly it is. And in the coming series we are going to learn each and everything about regarding the APIs, like how to create the customers, how to create the categories, order, and everything. Okay, so let's get started. Loyverse is a point of sale and inventory management system. Okay, it's an inventory management system designed for the small and the medium sized business, particularly in the retail and the hospitality industries. It provides features to help business to manage their daily operations, including the sales tracking, inventory management, employee management, and customer loyalty programs. Key features of Loyverse typically includes point of sale. Loyverse provides a user-friendly interface for processing sales transactions. It often supports a variety of payment methods. Inventory management. So users can track and manage their inventory levels, receive notifications for low stock, generate reports related to stock levels and the sales trends. Employee management. Lawyers may offer features for managing employee schedules, roles, and permissions. This can include tracking employee performance and the sales. Customer loyalty programs. Lawyers often includes tools for creating and managing customer loyalty programs which can help the business to attract and retain customers. Analytics and the reporting. The system typically provides analytics and reporting tools allowing business to analyze sales data, track trends, and make informed decisions. Okay. Then we have a multi-location support. Lawyers may support business with multiple locations, allowing for the centralized management of data. Integration with the third-party services. Lawyers may offer integration with the other business tools and the service, enhancing its functionality and adaptability. Okay, so these are the key features of the Lawyers. Let's have a look on the dashboard also. So I have opened the dashboard here. So let me sign in. So here we, if I go with that one, so here we have the not the applications we need. Okay, these are the this is the dashboard, right? So we have a detailed, like what a gross sales, refund, discount, net sales, gross profit. Here you can check the inventories, purchase order, transfer, stock adjustments, everything you can go over here and check. Then we have a reports. Then we have a employee list, assess rights. Okay, then customers here. Okay, so we are going to all of these we are going to learn how to create that via API. So let's see how it's going to be on. Okay, so be with me with this series. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.